What's going on, everybody?
Hey everybody, so you gotta attend the Masterclass series.
I cannot say this any louder.
The Masterclass series.
It's free, it's awesome, it's an all-access pass to master's level concentrations in social innovation. You get 75 minutes jam-packed with content delivered by experts in the field.
I believe that it's one of the most accessible and fun classes you can take.
The most intriguing masterclass I've attended was on biomimicry.
Reimagining education with rappers and with corporate America.
Empathy is a tool for social justice.
And the very concept was mind-shattering.
Life-giving.
I feel inspired literally every time I leave.
The masterclasses are not through a Zoom call, it's through a different kind of platform.
Yeah, this is way better than Zoom University.
We got to move around and go to different tables and talk about different aspects of the problem.
It's been amazing being able to connect with individuals who care deeply about community.
Ever since I've joined the Masterclass series, I've been a lot more vocal about the problems that I want to solve.
Just building up my confidence, identify new passions that I really care about.
Meet people who are my age, my peers, who are doing amazing things and who are so dedicated to social impact.
Sign up for the Masterclass. This is one of the best investments you can make. It's an hour and some change, and it's totally worth it.
You never know what gift may be given to you during that time, but also you never know what may be ignited in you.
So if you haven't joined us yet, what are you waiting for?